Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from Manta. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. To opt out of Manta, first go to the Manta homepage. In the search bar, type your business name and location, then hit the search icon. Check the search results for your company listing and click the company name link. Company details will open on a new page. Copy the URL from the address bar as shown. Return to the Manta homepage, scroll down and click Contact Us under the Manta section. Another page will open, scroll down to the Contact Manta to get the help you need today section. Choose Remove Profile from the Inquiry Type dropdown. Fill in your name, email, and company info. Paste the URL from step 3 into the Manta listing URL field. Add a message if needed, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Send. You'll see an on-screen notification from Manta confirming your opt-out request. Congratulations on opting out of Manta. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.